So here you go, guys. I'm leaving for Zurich right now, and then we'll travel to Italy after Switzerland. So I have finally boarded, and I'm going towards Zurich. So guys, I have finally reached Zurich, and I took a train from the airport towards the main station, and now I'm heading towards my brother's place who lives in Birmensdorf. So let's see how much time will it take me, because I think the next bus is probably in 50 minutes. So I'll have to check it out, and I have no internet here. If I'll use my UK SIM card, then it will be like 15 pounds per MB. So of course not, and I'm trying to look for Wi-Fi here. If I can, then probably I'll be able to find it. I've just bought a ticket online because the kiosk wasn't working properly. So guys, finally I'm in Switzerland. Last night I reached around 12:30 AM, and abhi मैं अपने भाई के घर था. Now I'm like going towards Rhine Falls, but first look at the view. And it's a nice lake near the main station in Zurich. And now I'm actually walking towards the station to take to catch another train towards Rhine Falls. So guys, right now I'm on the way to Rhine Falls, and it's probably one of the most scenic train rides I've ever had, and it's so beautiful. Right now I'm just on the way. Like, it's been 45 minutes since I'm on the train, and it will take around 10 more minutes to reach. And see this. Wow. Here even the bus stops are built different. So guys, right now I've reached Rhine Falls, and like I still have to like walk 15 minutes to reach to the main attraction, but this is what I've found now, and I'm just walking through this. So beautiful. Wow, magnificent. Wait, look at this. So as you have seen, there are not a lot of tourists here, only few. I think I only saw around 5 to 6 people here, and that today I don't think that they were tourists, only the citizens of Switzerland. And I think people don't know much about this beautiful place, as I mean, it's not just the place that is beautiful, but the way towards this place from Zurich. My god, it took me around 58 minutes to reach Rhine Falls, and actually I missed a station, but the next station is actually nearby. So normally there are two stations for Rhine Falls. One is the Chaufon Rhine Falls train station, and the other one I can't spell, but I'd write it down here. And where I got off at, and I'm just like walking. It's actually 17-minute walk from the train station. So probably I'm mesmerized by this view, trust me. And if you ever visit Switzerland, I think it's a must. Switzerland is built different, man. I'm finally done with the Rhine Falls, and like I said, and like you saw, it is amazing. Vibe there, peace. Oh my god, wow. So I'm heading back to the main station now. Let's see how it goes. We'll meet my brother there. So to top it all off, I'd say the way towards Rhine Falls was a heck of a scenery, and Rhine Falls in itself was icing on the cake. We all will be together, okay?
Wait. Day to